Welcome to Chapter 3. Here we will demonstrate the CAM receiver tests and a small demo of our link EQ test. Once again, we will start with the Configure DUT button. Let's choose the Expert mode. In the Parameters window, we can modify the settings for the tests and the test groups by selecting the tests on the right side. We can either select the entire test groups or we can select the tests individually. The ValleyFrame PCI Express test tree displays test groups by data rates. On the right side of the window, we can change settings for the test or test groups. Let us start with the receiver tests. Press the Start button. The connection diagram window will pop up, showing the necessary connection of the test fixtures, cables, and accessories along with the connection description. Some pop-up windows will show us what we have to set up or to check. The EQ coefficient matrix scan requires some manual input based on the colored scan matrix. We select the preset which is far away from the red area, enter the pre-shoot and de-emphasis values in the parameter setup dialog. They will be used for the following tests. At some points during the tests, pop-up windows will let us know when a power cycle is necessary. We can see the EQ coefficient matrix scans come in again, and also here it is the same procedure as before. Now all the tests are finished. Close the dialog. After the tests are over, we can see the test result file by double-clicking the test. The results can also be saved as a workbook. Let's make a small demo of our link EQ test. We click OK. Like already shown in the previous part of this tutorial, connection diagrams will show you how to connect your instruments, cables, and accessories. Again, some pop-up windows will show us what we have to set up or to check. Tables with results will pop up and document the results of our tests. A green smiley confirms that the tests were successful. Hope we were able to give you an idea about the ValleyFrame PCIe CAM test solution. Thank you for watching.